Don't do it. No, please, please.
No.
Devin,
No.
what's your favorite topic?
Wait, I don't have a favorite.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No.
I know you do.
Leave me
I love that
alone.
fabulous bow in your hair. Please, I love you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Chelsea,
How was the game tonight? Who'd you see? What'd you do?
okay, answer my question. Stop
Fine.
asking me.
Okay,
Stop
ask me one answer. One answer.
What?
How was the game tonight?
Oh my gosh. Chelsea.
How was Karma? Karma.
not Karma.
Carmelita?
Carmen.
Carmen. I don't know her. She can't speak to me.
Okay.
You can see my shadow.
No, okay, stop.
Seriously, answer my questions.
Okay, the game was awesome. No, it was splendid. And
I heard you have a new movie coming up. What's it called?
what?
I heard you have a new movie coming up. What's it called?
I don't have a new movie.
Yes, you do.
My new movie is I Want to Go to Sleep.
That sounds like a great movie. How does it feel
What is your
working
dog
with...
doing?
I don't know. What is he doing? Winston! I don't approve of what you're doing right now. I'm gonna go see. Hey. Hey. Look at me. Hey. No, don't, Winston. Don't walk away from me. Don't walk away from me. He's so mean.
Your dog is going to eat me.
I swear, my parents love him more than they love me. Don't sniff her boots. You're not accepted here. Put your tongue back in your mouth.
Stop.
Winston, stop. I love you, Sancho. Sancho! Come here. Don't act like you can't hear me. Who's my favorite dog? Who's my favorite? It's Sancho! Okay, we're done.